Okay, so now I was going to explain you that how we're going to use that CSS variables. So let's normal tab. So now I would write that what oh that, that, okay. Okay, now got it. I would create a which one and I would say class to edit and this is the heading. After that, add up again the p tag file and yeah. So and first of all, I have set the code that is specifying it. I'm using colon for the variable. After that, inside it, I have write the variable name, and inside it, I have written the property. So now I'm assigning it to variable. Inside brackets, I could write the variable value. It was this, and for color, it was this, and for padding, it was this. Then I'll be showing you the output. So yeah, so this is the heading. Hello, I'm a paragraph. Watching that. Oh yeah. So over here for dot header, the background color should be this, and I can also create another heading. Instead of our heading, I will design the property, and I can write the color, which should be so okay. Continuous. Okay, so instead of over here, and okay, watching now, its color is this, and for paragraph, it's applying to all body. Okay, so okay, so this was all for today. So keep learning and keep practicing. Bye.